Hi guys, in this video I will make a tutorial how to make mango juice with fresh milk. So the ingredient is mangoes, 500 ml of fresh milk and enough of ice. The tools is spoon, blender, glass and knife. Steps: first, peel the mango skin and wash the mango thoroughly under running water. Next, cut the mango into small pieces. After that, put them into a blender. Then, put the milk and ice. After that, turn on the blender and wait for 30 seconds. When finished, turn off the blender. Finally, pour the mango juice into the glass and mango juice is ready to drink.